I picked up this kit of these electrical wire terminals. I'm always running into situations where I need these, so why not have a huge kit like this? There's 320 pieces in there, and they're heat shrink capable. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and check them out. All right, and you see here, they've got like a little guide here, shows you everything that's in the kit. So you definitely want to use crimpers when you're doing these. It gives you a nice clean crimp. And like it shows here, you want to use a heat gun. Don't use a lighter or anything like that. I know sometimes we'll use those out of necessity because that's all we have, but you know, a heat gun is going to get you that nice clean shrink around the wire. It adds support and holds that wire in there better. So if you use a heat gun and you shrink them properly, you're going to get these things pretty much waterproof, so that way you don't have rust going on inside of them, and you don't want any shortages. So this is going to be used with my trailer. I want to make sure all of these connections are nice and hardy. But yeah, it looks like a really good kit. These connectors are not those real hard ones, so you can see that they should shrink down with no problem and should create a good connection. All right, well, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.